Hi and welcome to our blog. My name is Jim Cuervo and I am your senior instructor here at Digital Drafting Systems. Today's topic will be AutoCAD's 2021's new quick measure tool improvements. Let's get going. The new quick measure tool has been improved with the addition of areas to the tool. How do we do this? We come first to our Home tab, down to the panel labels, and over to the Utilities panel. Once in the Utilities panel, you go up to the pull-down measure, and you look for Quick. Now, we know that Quick will give us distances, and it could also give us angles. But now, the improvement is that we can now have areas. If I left button mouse click in this area here that is enclosed, you will notice that the dynamic input automatically gets turned on, and what happens is that now you have your cursor value telling you the area of the place that you've defined. You will also notice that in the command prompt in gray you have the same values. Now if you want to add, I want you to notice that the moment I move my cursor too dramatically, I lose my area. So in order to take this area and add this area, and we know that if we click here and we move the cursor to add that, we lose it. The trick to get that done is this. You come in here and you click. Then you hold your shift key before you move your cursor. And you move your cursor now till you see the area you want to add to the area calculation, and left button mouse click once. Release your shift. Now if you move the cursor rather, what happens is you lose the areas. So what happens if you have these areas added, but you want to subtract something? So in order to do that, we know that adding is shift hold before you move it to where you want it, and left button mouse click in there and release. To remove that area, you shift hold again, move your cursor until you see it where you want it to be removed in the area, and click on it, and automatically removes that area. This is the improvement to the area, to the quick measure tool, which improves way over the area tool that was there before, that forced you to do object add, object subtract, etc., etc. Much easier, much faster, much more accurate. I hope you enjoyed this little view of the new quick measure tool. My name is Jim Cuervo with Digital Drafting Systems, hoping you a very safe time. Till the next one, we'll see you around.